Assalamu alaikum. I am Farjahan Akhtar, working in the operations team of Bongo Technology Limited. You all know that Bongo Technology Limited has two innovative platforms. One is Bongo IoT, providing customized IoT based software solutions, and another one is Bongo Express, offering logistics automation solutions. So today we are here in the South Asia's largest software congress, Soft Expo 2023. So today at our pavilion we have our special guest, Mr. Simon Hong. He is the marketing and sales director of South Asia in Streamax. So today we will discuss about video telematics solution. So directly let me come to our guest. So how are you? How are you feeling? You have come in this expo. So what are your experiences?
So actually, this expo is a very sufficient technology exhibitor, and also a lot of industry visitor come here. So in the past 3 days, we experienced very gorgeous experience here. So I hope this time we can generate a lot of new business chance here.
Well, can you tell me your experience about video telematics solution? Especially, I want to I will ask you some few layman questions because in Bangladesh, this is something really new solution we are talking about video telematics.
Okay.
So, can you tell me what is the video telematics solution?
Okay, so actually, before we talk about the video telematics, so first should we have understand the definition of what is the telematics?
Yes.
So the telematics stands for it's a combine of the telecommunication and the information technology combined. So this is how the telematics come out, and then if this kind of combined technology is applied in transport on the vehicle, then it's called vehicle telematics. But now, as the technology growing, so now there are a lot of IoT device installed on their vehicle. Also can offer the video streaming and also the video recording. And so this is why we call it based on the telematics. So this kind of a device with the telematics feature also have the video feature, so we call it the video telematics.
Well, so what are the features? What are the users of video telematics? Why people will take our solution?
Okay.
What are the problems it will solve?
Okay. So as you know, for example, I just can give you some example about the telematics. As you know that a lot of GPS tracker, the OBD, the sensor, and different kind of a sensor, which is already applied on the vehicle. So this is a very traditional telematics device. So this device, if some accident happen, or it's some alert generate, you only know what happened and what time and where. Maybe you can go to the time information, you can go to the event location, but you cannot see what happened at that accident period.
Yeah.
So now the video telematics not only can offer the GPS location, and also can playback the event moment to show you what actually happened at that accident. That means in the accident, everything will be visibility. Not only visibility for the location, also can visibility for the moment process at that accident. So this is a very big step for the telematics industry.
Right. It will help to the many stakeholders, like the traffic management. In the traffic management, it will help. The insurance company, it will help, and like the authority I mean, administrative authority, the police, and everyone will know about the root cause analysis of an accident.
Yes, true.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Bangladesh is basically dependent on the garment sector. We have, the economy is really dependent on the garment industry. So, in this sector, we are getting actually so many queries about, like, people are facing a big problem, which is product missing during the journey. The cargo,
Okay.
the vehicles started from their warehouses to the Chittagong port, for example, and in the middle of the street or middle of the journey, they are missing so many products. So, what do you think this video telematics solution will help in cargo safety?
Yeah. So the problem which you mentioned is very common, not only in Bangladesh. Actually, it's already happened in so many countries in the world. So this is the management pain point from the fleet transportation sector. So as you know, as the economy growing and also as the e-commerce growing in the whole world, so now a lot of transport companies they transport very high value goods, but unfortunately, there's a lot of cargo losing happen. So why the concern from the different sector of the transport industry? They want the solution who can help them monitor the whole process of the logistic transportation. So now the video telematics, if we install our video telematics solution on the truck, so you can install the different type of the cameras or recorders in the driver cabin, and also you can install outside the vehicle or inside the container, and also this system can integrate with the door sensor or some other kind of sensor. So every time when the driver or the operator they all operate their cargo in different location, you can say some pickup point or loading point or unloading point. So all the process and actions will be availability. So this technology, so that means all the process is under recording and can be tried, and also can be checked by their authority person. So the solution can bring the benefit for the management team is that first, if the driver and operator they know your cargo is under the video monitor, so they will not dare to do some illegal things or crime things for their cargoes. And the second point, if some theft or some cargo losing happen, then you can take out the video and play back the video and have a look. So you can find out which procedure is the most easily have this kind of cargo losing happen. So
Yeah, you
you
can
can
prevent the
you can
situation.
set up the management rules at this special procedure to reduce this kind of cargo theft or cargo losing happen. Yeah, this is the value with the video telematics can bring the value to prevent the cargo theft and the cargo losing happen.
Yeah. So as we are talking about the cargo safety, it's a one side or one solution of video telematics system. So can you mention some other industry-wide solutions we have or we can provide through video telematics system?
Uh,
Mention them, like some other industry-wide solution we have. Like one, we are talking about cargo safety. Then I
Yes.
think it will be also effective for school bus.
Yeah. So actually, the video telematics, there is a very several diversity solution which is applied or implemented in different type of the commercial vehicle. For example, we have the city bus, we have the traveling buses, and also we have the pickup van, and also we have the student school buses, and also even for the truck, we have different type and different the cargo transportation trucks, including the logistic trucks and the cash van, and also you have the oil tanker or gas tanker. You can call the hospitamized transportation,
Right.
and also even you have the mining truck. So we can offer the different kind of a solution based on the different usage scenario. So the purpose is to deliver the different usage scenario solution to meet the transporter and user requirement, because when they operate their fleet in different usage scenarios, so surely they have different concern, and also they are facing different kind of a challenge. For example, for the e-commerce, as I mentioned, that there is a lot of cargo theft and cargo losing happen. But for the mining industry, mining truck, maybe they have a different concern.
Right.
For the mining trucks, maybe they concern too much for their plant area detect, and also for their very, because their truck is a very big size, so they have a lot of plant area. So how to ensure the driver can see the plant area real time to avoid the accident happen. So this is the two example from me. So you can say make the calculation that for different kind of commercial vehicle, we can offer the different video telematics to solve the end user their concern and the problem.
So another question, like we have private mini schools and different organizations who have seen they are using CCTV camera in their vehicles. So and they're saying like we have video telematics solutions. So can you elaborate what's the difference between EI dashcam and CCTV camera?
Okay, so actually your question is very good. So I traveling to so many countries, and even for some new market, I mean, it's not so mature market. So the end user and also the system integrator, they are facing the same challenge as you mentioned, because the end user maybe they are not so well educated, and they do not have their a lot of implementation experience. This is why they have there is a deviation between their understanding and their actually usage scenario.
Yeah.
So as you know, the video telematics actually is also have the video feature and also the video surveillance feature. So you can say the CCTV camera is a part of the function of the video telematics, but you cannot say the CCTV cameras is equal the video telematics. Why? Because the working condition is totally different. So for the CCTV camera, is many use the fixed working condition. For example, for the shopping mall, for the store, and for the bank, for the hospital, the college. So they are working under the fixed working environment. But our video telematic is special designed for the vehicle, commercial vehicle.
Yeah.
So the working condition is totally different from the CCTV camera. And also for the video telematic, the working condition is a terrible bad. As you know, based on the road condition and also the vehicle is moving, then
like temperature.
So, and also there is a lot of challenges. So we can calculate the challenges from there is 3 or 4 challenges. The first one is the vibration, because the road or the engine, there's a very, very strong vibration. So you have to ensure the data storage is not damaged because of the vibration. The second is the power supply. So on the vehicle, you only can get the power from the engine. So the engine power is very unstable. When you acceleration, you braking, you turn around. So the challenge is the device how to adapt to working under this kind of unstable power supply, compared with the CCTV, the fixed power supply. So this is the second challenge. The third challenge is about the temperature. So as you know, the vehicle is a very compact size, especially for the truck. So in the summer season or the winter season, the temperature range is a very wide range. In some countries, the temperature may go to the 70 degree, and also in some regions, the temperature may go to the minus 40. But in Bangladesh, maybe the high temperature is the biggest challenge. In some season, maybe it comes to 70 or 75 degree. So under this high temperature condition, the device is very easily damaged or burn off. So the product have very strong and reliable stable design for the temperature adoption. So this is a very big difference from the
CCTV
camera. And the fourth difference is the anti-electronics influence. As you know, in the vehicle, there's a lot of different type of the electronic device. So there's a lot of big difference influence each other. I mean, the electronic signal influence each other. So you have to ensure the device is not influenced by all the device their signal.
Right.
So this is a very big difference from the CCTV and video telematics.
Thank you for sharing these insights, and
You're welcome.
it's really helpful. And I have another question. We are not providing video monitoring system. We are also talking about the fleet safety and driver safety. So with advanced driver assistance system. So tell me about this, like how it works.
Okay, so as everyone knows, in recent years, the artificial intelligence technology is developing so fast, and in so many different industry, they already began to implement the artificial intelligence technology. So we can say it's AI technology. So the same logic in our video telematics industry, we will also implement the AI technology to improve the video telematics technology. So why need this kind of AI technology in video telematics? As you know, previously we only offer the video telematics solution without the AI. So for this solution, we install all the device on the vehicle, so you can record all the moments inside in the vehicle. But based on this kind of a technology, if some accident happen, you only can have a look and find out what happened.
Yeah.
But you cannot do anything to reduce.
I don't have any tools to prevent that accident
or reduce the accident happen. So this is why the AI come out to bring the value to the video telematics. So now for the AI application in video telematics, so we have the other one. We have the ADAS. It's called the assistant driving system. So it's actually a ADAS camera installed on the vehicle. So this camera can detect the front vehicle distance and also can detect the lane. So the system can real time detect your vehicle between the front vehicle distance and also the speed. So he can give you a real-time alert, including the front collision warning, and also including the lane departure warning, and also including the headway monitor warning system. So this can help the driver a lot. Sometimes when the driver driving, they are maybe is not so focused on the driving, and also sometimes they are a little fatigued,
distracted, maybe.
Yes. So as this kind of a scenario, so the system can automatically detect and give the alert to the driver if too short distance or there's a high risk to collision. So based on this kind of logic and technology, so we can use the ADAS camera to help the fleet management company to reduce a lot of collision accident happen. This is the one example of how the AI technology and the AI video telematics.
Yeah, giving safety to driver and fleet.
Yes, that's
All
true.
right, thank you. And I have the last question. In our country, I mean, it actually happens in most of the countries. Like people are very data sensitive. I mean, data security sensitive. They feel how you are providing data security.
Okay, yeah. So the question you raised up, this is also very interesting and also is very valuable question for all the country for their data safety. You can say is cyber security concern from the end user or from the system integrator. So actually, as you know, the Streamax, our position is the video telematics solution provider. And our position is to enable our local partner to expand their solution in the local market in different regions. So this is from the product design stage. We already concern this kind of data safety and cyber security concern in our product design. So we have several methods to ensure the data safety and also the cyber security. So from the data recording stage, so you can have a look at our device. So we already designed the insert of the storage storage space, for example, for the SD card or hard disk storage. So we designed there's one lock to ensure not authority person can open and take out the storage device. So this is the first one, the data safety and design from our side. The second design is from our platform. So we use our unique format, video recording format. We use the H.264 format for recording all the video data, including the sensor data and also the GPS data. So this kind of data on the platform and on the server, if the authority person, you can download the video clips, and also you can set up the password for this kind of video clips. So that means the video is not easy spread in different kind of person. So all the videos can be encoded with the password. So the authority person only can open and collect the video. So this is the data safety design from the solution and product side, including our hardware and software. And the third one design for the data safety is that Streamax we are not hosting all the data in our site. So we enable
customer will require server. Right?
Yes.
Bongo IoT is also offering on-premise server.
Yes,
so you
yes,
can
yes.
also add that point.
So the Bongo technology is our local partner, right? So we will offer the server application to them. So all the server will be set up locally in Bangladesh. That means all the data from the device to the server is only in Bangladesh. It's not out of Bangladesh. So this is how to ensure the data safety and cyber safety. So the end user and the system, the integrator, they don't concern. You don't need to concern the data is not safe and spread anywhere. Yeah, so this is our total solution for the data safety and the cyber security concern.
Thank you very much. We have get to know a lot of solutions and insights about video telematics solutions from you. Thank you very much for your present.
It's my honor today.
Thank you very much.